Excuse me, miss, do you work here?
What? Do I work here? What are you talking about?
Do you even know your ABCs?
Yeah, it's on my shirt.
Spell your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait a minute. Are you looking at my shirt?
No?
Yeah, you are. You're being a perv.
No, I'm not. I was just seeing
Yeah,
your ABCs are right. Well, your ABCs are wrong.
No, they're not. A, B, C, D, E, F, U, C, K, O, F, F. Read it, sorry, leave me alone. You guys, click the link in my bio and you can change your friend's texts to literally whatever you want. Click the link in my bio.
What's something that you can eat every single day and not get tired of? And I'm not talking about something that you eat sometimes that you just love. Like, I'm talking about something that you're disgustingly obsessed with and that you could actually eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and never get sick of and never.
Wearing another guy's boxers to see my boyfriend's reaction.
Dang, wait, hold on. That thing's looking fat.
You like them?
Wait. Whose are those? Whose are those? I've never seen those before.
I got them from Victoria's Secret.
Turn around, turn around. Victoria's Secret, bro, it says boxers on there.
Babe, don't be mad, but your friend Deji let me borrow them. They're his. You like them?
Bro, give me those.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning,
That doesn't explain why you're spraying my butt.
but it says to spray on flat surfaces.
Are you recording this?
No.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm stuck, step bro.
How are you fucking stuck?
Look at me. My shorts are caught or something. Can you help me?
Já vou. Entra!
O que tá acontecendo aqui? Você
É
demorou pra mim por
surpresa,
quê?
surpresa.
Ah, surpresa, amor, o quê?
Surpresa. Aqui, ó, presente.
Ai, amor, obrigada, eu amei. Ai, muito obrigado, amor.
She hates when I do this.
Damn, babe.
Stop! Why do you always have to do that? It's annoying.
But hates when I don't.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me. Smack it! What the heck? Smack it! You
No.
always smack it. What's different now? Smack it! Yes, harder. Smack it. Smack it. Yes. Why did you even forget to do that? Come on.
Blue paint. Yeah.
Oh,
It's
wow.
loaded right into the tailpipe.
All right.
When we rev the engine, it's gonna blow this thing out. So we gotta secure it with a little bit of tape.
Right.
Right?
There we go.
Yeah.
I get it.
Here. You ready to get in position?
Yeah. There we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
So,
So how far back? Like
right there. Yep.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Spin it that way a little bit. Perfect. Amazing. Look at that. Look what it did.
Look at a little bit.
Let me see what. Oh, look at what it did here.
Look at all the sheep. That's basically look at what it did on the
Wow.
sheep. That's really cool.
Let me see. Wow, look at that.
It's like really nice and spread out.
Let's do it to the backside.
Excuse me,
I'm taken.
I wanted to say,
I have a boyfriend.
you drop your wallet? You're welcome.
You stole my wallet?
No?
Hello, 911.
Lakuya, I need you to say this word right here.
What? Watermelon.
What is a watermelon?
Watermelon.
What is a watermelon?
Watermelon. What's fun again?
Oh, baby, can I have some? Oh yeah, can I have some?
Oh, you want them?
Not anymore.
Oh.
Guys, I'm gonna be putting googly eyes on mine to see his reaction. Let's go. Babe, look. Babe, look.
Wow.
You like it?
Wow.
You like it, yeah?
Damn, babe, that ass is fat as fuck. But I could definitely see what I'm looking at in the future, because look at your mother.
Mira, pendejo, respeta. Mira a ver si tienes más respeto. Yo soy tu suegra, ¿sabes? Deja estar mirándole las nalgas a uno. Okay, she's gonna be like me when she, when she be my age.
Permiso.
Pero respeta, fuck you.
It's a prank. Nah, we're not doing that prank. Hold on, bro. We're not doing that prank. Bro, it's a prank. Go! No, take my boxes, man. Go! Come on.
This is about to go south. Oh no, she saw me. Take it off.
Dude, what the heck?
What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What?
What? What's your issue?
What do you mean?
What's your issue?
What?
What are you serious?
What are you talking about? You just came, you literally came up to me and started beating me up or some shit.
Are you serious?
What you gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
Are you looking for a guy?
No, I'm looking for you.
Yo, leave!
Oh my god, Brian, what the
Hey Emma, I poured your wine glass right there. Can you get me the cheese out of the fridge?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This thing, oh my god. It's so big. It's so big. It's so big. It's so hard to move this shit. Fuck. It's so big.
Chupa pizza.
2, 1.
No, this is a bad idea, man.
Oh my god.
I poured the whole thing
That's
in.
a lot.
Oh!
You guys wanted a smaller balloon.
That's a lot, bro. That's a lot.
Oh! Yo! Oh! Yo, look! Oh! Oh! What's happening? Oh! 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 Look at that!
This is so dumb. It's crazy how they always chase. LMAO, I got out.
Damn, holy shit.
I think they want to beat me up.
Was that you?
Huh?
Was that you?
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
I know it's them.
I need my sweater back.
Yeah, it was me.
Run it. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Go do something. Let's go, bro. What I tell you, bro? Why you keep playing with me, bro? What's up? See, I'm on the phone. Hey, hold on. I'll call you back.
Let go, let go, let go.
What's wrong with you, bro? Why you keep playing with me?
Mom! Mommy!
Don't call your mom.
Mommy!
Don't call your mom. Why you keep playing with me, bro?
Yeah.
Man, your son doing it?
What the hell?
What? It's just milk. It's not just milk.
Dude!
Hey, he thinks you're cute. He's a liar! He's not like your hair! You smell good! You in trunk of my car.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I will call the police.
You can, but you will go to jail.
Why?
I mean, young girl in your trunk.
Oh.
The best thing for you would be to give me your car.
Ah! Water! Long necked. That's the last water in the world! Gorda!
What?
Do you know the fucking satisfaction? Subtraction?
What the fuck, boy?
The satisfaction. The satisfaction!
The satisfaction?
Yes, it is the fucking yawn, bro.
Satisfaction.
The satisfaction. The satisfaction it is to fucking yawn and you took that shit away from me.
And I'll do it again.